Hey, hello everyone. I know it's been a long time, but I've not been well. Issues with the house. So I'm still having a bad cough. The weather uh, is just not right for me. So I'm sorry for the delay in putting up this video. I wanted to do it way before, but I was just not feeling too well to do it. So today I have actually uh, mastered up my courage and said, okay, let me just put up this video because the weather is changing. We're getting in from winter to spring, and the weather here is just I don't know. It's just not as it would as it's not consistent. It's from from heat to rain to the Arctic blast that we have had a couple of days back, and now it's again rain. Yesterday was sunny. Today it's again raining, and I thought, since we're getting into this and there'll be a lot of allergies and there'll be a lot of coughs and colds and wheezing and sneezing, I thought, I've been using a lot of chest rub. So I thought, let me make something for myself and my kids so that, we are prepared more for the the spring where we have the allergies, the pollen, and all those stuff. So today I'm going to be making a recipe for a chest rub. So let's get into the making. I'll show you all what all ingredients I'm using, and I'll show you all how I make this so you can try it out at home, so you don't have to always go to the store to get a chest rub, since there's so much of allergies, and what you make at home, it's going to be good for you. So I'll show you all how I do this. So what I have in this is 80 grams of beeswax and 80 ounces, again sorry, it's point 0.8 ounces of beeswax and 2 ounces of almond sweet almond oil. Okay, and in this, what I have is 1 ounce of sweet almond oil. I have 0.2 ounces of menthol crystals, and I have uh, 0.02 ounces of eucalyptus oil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this and this in a double boiler in a water bath, and I'm going to heat it up so that my menthol crystals will melt, and then I'll mix it and I'll pour it into these, so they're like roll on, and when you are done, you don't have to use your fingers, you just rub it on. So I'm going to be putting it in these. So let me heat up everything, and I'll get you all back when it's all done. Okay, so now we have the beeswax melted. We have the menthol crystals melted. The menthol crystals will not just melt like that. You'll have to put it in oil and heat it up for it to melt. So another thing I can say is that you can just put your menthol crystals in your carrier oil. It need not be sweet almond oil that I used. You can use any that you like. You can use olive oil, grapeseed oil, whatever you like. Just try to keep it as light as possible. put it into this, and I'll keep it to set. A little bit has rubs right into your skin. And if you don't want to put it uh, in the little bottles, you all can obviously put it in containers and have it like a traditional uh, rub. That's perfectly fine. So I'll get you all back when this is completely set, and we can see how it feels. And I already showed you also. I mean, it's not for rubbing on your hands, it's for your chest, but just to show you all how it just gets absorbed. And obviously the menthol gives that, you know, the vapor rub feel. So don't rub it on your hands because uh, it's obviously going to irritate. So it's like using a normal rub. So the menthol, if you're going to use your fingers and then rub your eyes with it, or it is going to irritate, but it really gives uh, the Vicks vape rub smell right now. So I think I should wash my hands. I'll get you all back when this is set. We'll give it some time. Okay guys, so we're back. It's still slightly hot, but it's kind of solid now. feels like the nice, and it just, when your hand touches, it melts. And yes, it's got the menthol, it's got everything, so it's really something that you should give a try. And since you know what are the ingredients in this, you can use it confidently on yourself. You can use the oils that you like, or if you don't want to use oils, maybe you can try it with shea butter or mango butter, or something like that, and go on. So yeah, guys, so yeah, so that's about it for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. um, for those who haven't subscribed, to subscribe, and see you all soon in the next one. Bye bye.